We had one person in custody, and the investigation is still ongoing. We have questioned several persons because of the complexity of when the drugs were found and there was nobody physically present. So that is one of the reasons why we're working with our international partners to determine, well, where it was going, who may have been on the end to receive it, but also internally we're working with the Ghana Police Force and Cheddi Jagan Airport, as well as other stakeholders there, to determine not just who brought it in, but again, the method of concealment. I'm not at liberty to give more details, but like with every investigation, it's not who you found with the drugs. The key here is the person has to give testimony. Mr. Shabral will tell you persons make reference to big fish, etc. We have an idea who's behind this. The difference is that's intelligence, that's information. To put that to court, now that's where the hard work is. And I'm saying this because the public needs to be aware that when we seize drugs and we arrest someone, that is not always the case where persons have to be able to give evidence. And that's the only way going forward. So oftentimes it may take a lot longer, but considering the fact that this was an international operation, obviously, we have to work with our colleagues overseas to ensure that it's not just what we do here, but it has to match what's happening because the evidence that we have here will be used in another territory if there's an opportunity to lay charges there.
But did the cameras show who possibly brought the drugs?
We have an idea as to how the drugs got there, but I'm not going to say too much on that right now because I would just be telling the persons what not to do the next time or why we're looking.